Welcome back to this week's YouTube video.
This week we're at the brand new Airbnb, the Sink Shack.
We've been invited to this Airbnb to give it a review as it's just been opened today.
A few weeks ago we were in the other cabin, the Secluded mountain cabin, which you can watch up here.
So we're going to give you a tour of this Airbnb behind us and then some things to do in the area. So if you enjoyed this one and you want to stay yourself, the link's in the description, so book it